elementary and secondary students will test their knowledge in a broad range of skilled trades and technologies, competing against themselves, other students, and the clock. Let's get started. So could you tell me a little bit about what's going on with the skills event today and what's happening?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this is our, we believe this is our 17th. We kind of lost track, but 17th Skilled Trades competition. It's affiliated with Skills Ontario, and students in elementary and secondary are here at St. Lawrence College today competing in a wide variety of competitions. Everything from, as you can see, robotics, technology challenges upstairs. You saw the elementary construction.
Okay. Could you also tell me a little bit about the important outcomes of this event at all?
Yeah, number one for this event is to bring awareness to the skilled trades and all the opportunities that are associated to the skilled trades. Limestone District School Board has a very healthy technology program in all of our high schools, everything from construction to transportation and manufacturing. And this event is a good way for students to kind of synthesize their knowledge, but also gain new skills.
So, could you tell me a little bit what's going on here and what the skills competition is?
All right, so what we're basically doing right now is we're going to build our structure that has to have a pulley system and a hydraulic system to move whatever we need to pick these stuff up and out of the water and I think into the bin.
Can you also tell me kind of like what this experience kind of does for you?
I think it helps with teamwork and cooperation because everyone needs to do something and we need good communication together.
The Limestone Skills Competition allows students to push the boundaries of their learning, testing, and using their skills like they might one day in a career of their choice.
Learning in Limestone is brought to you by the Limestone District School Board.